What is up, guys? Welcome back. We made it to Brazil. We are on the island of Ilhabela. It's going to be probably a short day. It is hot. It's over 90 degrees today, and it's kind of a beach port, so we're just going to walk around, maybe find a beach and relax, maybe get some drinks. Yeah, we're just going to do some exploring. Let's do it. See all the grandstands set up and everything. We're here during Carnival, which is kind of exciting. We won't see it at this port, but we do have tickets to go see it in Rio tomorrow night, so that's going to be fun. We decided to park in a shady spot on the beach and enjoy the water. It's a beautiful day. It's probably 95 degrees. The clouds are coming in right now, so it's a little nicer. Yeah, we're just gonna hang out here on the beach, maybe walk around town a little bit, and then that'll probably do it. Vacated the beach because it started to rain pretty good, and as soon as we got all packed up, the sun came back out. So now we're just gonna kind of wander around the town. Back on the boat. I think that's going to do it for me. We're going to hop in the pool. I got my bald head out for some sun. The next 2 days will be in Rio, so we have some exciting stuff. Tomorrow night we're hoping to make it to Carnival, and then we'll see from there. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.